EBS volume encryption. You can encrypt both the boot and data volumes of an EC2 instance. When you create an encrypted EBS volume and attach it to a supported instance type, the following types of data are encrypted. Data at rest inside the volume. All data moving between the volume and the instance. All snapshots created from the volume. All volumes created from those snapshots. Encryption operations occur on the servers that host EC2 instances, ensuring the security of both data at rest and data in transit between an instance and its attached EBS volume. When you encrypt a volume, you can specify the symmetric KMS key to use to encrypt the volume data. EBS encrypts your volume with a data key using the industry standard AES 256 algorithm. You can configure your AWS account to enforce the encryption of the new EBS volumes and snapshot copies that you create. For example, AWS encrypts the EBS volumes created when you launch an instance and the snapshots that you copy from an unencrypted snapshot. Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.